Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing awesome. Welcome back to another exciting video. So you have probably used git merge, but have you ever heard about git rebase? So today I'll show you live how actually rebase works and when it is needed and how it makes your git history clean and professional. So yeah, so today we'll talk about this. Don't worry, we are not doing anything scary here. A few console.logs and some commits to make it crystal clear. Okay, so very first, like, what is your git merge and what is your git rebase? So git merge basically combines the changes from one branch into another, and if we talk about the git rebase, it basically move, or I can say the replay your commits onto another branch. So we'll see this with the help of examples, and we have more lot about what is git merge and what is git rebase. So let me quickly share my screen and see you there with the help of one diagram I have. I'll explain you what is that, and we'll see the live hands-on of what is your git merge and what is your git rebase and how it looks. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start with the video. Let me quickly share my screen and see you there. Hello, what's up? I hope my screen is visible and I am audible as well. So let me check few settings here. This is up. This is recording. Yeah, perfect. And one more thing I have to check there. Perfect. Okay, so let's start fresh. I'll create a new git repo here. So what we can do, we can create mkdir and we can give a name as git rebase playground. Will not go to our GitHub or any of the cloud. We'll just see here on our local. Cool. So let me quickly go to git rebase playground and we can simply open this here. Perfect. So what we can do here, we can just initialize. We don't want to access any agent mode or something. We just wanna initialize with get init, and here what we'll do, we'll create one file, index.js, and we'll define our console.log and on which branch currently we are. Oops. On branch master, but why it's not showing me git branch? Okay, we'll see this. So we have this file. Okay, so I'll write here, hey, yeah, from main branch. Cool. So what we'll do, we'll add this index.js, we'll write our commit message, uh, we'll see, like, we are, oh, we'll change this to master because this is our master branch. Perfect. And again we'll do get add get status. We have one changes to be committed, so we'll do get commit hyphen m our messages from master. We are saying added index.js. Cool. So what I will do, I'll now check out to another branch which is called my feature branch, and if I will do now not branchy, it's branch. Okay, now I'm getting, might be if we have only one branch then it will not show. Cool. Now we are on our master branch. I also have one diagram here as well. So as you can see this diagram, so here we have So so here we have our git merge versus git rebase. Okay, so as you can see, now we have this original our main branch, and we have few commits here, and this is our feature branch, and it will have few commits. Okay, this is our original, the main branch. Also in our code we have this, where is that? Yeah, we have main branch, and also we have the commits as well, like on the master we have this commit. Cool. Also currently on which branch I am on git branch, I am on feature. So okay, let me do one more thing here. uh, this feature is not yet implemented, and I wanna simply add this and commit this. So simply if you have one file and you wanna add that and commit that at the same time, so you can use the am. So here I wanna say this is from feature, and uh, not completed. But this is not a good commit message. Feature updated index.js. Cool. Now we have this in our feature branch, and if I go back to my master branch, we have here from master branch. Cool. So where is my image? So this is my image where we have main branch, feature branch. Main, we can just consider it as a master. Okay, so we have this main and this master. So suppose here you just created your feature branch, and afterwards the main branch, like your master, has new updates, like someone has pushed their code and merged into the main branch. Now you have to sync your branch with the main. Although this is your feature, now you have to push this. So what you will do, one way you can just merge your feature branch into the main one, or you can do the rebase. So how it will look, so let me show you here. So when you do git merge, so okay, so first we'll now we are here and here only. Okay, so let's push a few more commits into the main branch. So how we can do that? So I'll simply go here. Now we are on master. So what I will do, I will add here, this is update from now master branch, and and adding new feature. Perfect. Or we can say adding new feature of email. Perfect. So what we can do, we are on the main, we'll do simply get commit hyphen am. This is our master, so we'll do email feature added. Perfect. Now our main is one commit ahead, but our feature is just behind one commit of the main. So what we can do, we can get check out our feature, but here we do not have anything. And if we'll see get log, we are seeing the feature. Here I have, like, from the feature we have last updated, and master we have only this, although we have added that as well. So there was one more command, I'm just forgetting. So here what we can do, get log one line and graph. Okay, like we have from the master branch and from the feature this, and currently we are on feature. If I go back to master and if I run this, so we have two commits, email feature added. Perfect. So what I will do, I will go to my feature branch, I'll change here console, please check back later for updates, rather than I can say feature completed. Perfect. And from here, suppose we are from there, we had the email functionality, and here I wanna add feature phone completed. Okay, so what I will do, I would probably have one modified and not committed yet. So what I can do, get commit hyphen am, from the feature one we have phone, and what was the phone feature added. Cool. Now if I will go here on checkout to my master, now my master contains the email feature and my your what feature branch contains the phone feature, but I want both the features. So now your main branch is containing the email feature, okay, and your feature branch contains the phone feature. I have to merge this. So how we can do that? The simple way, uh, I have to go to my get checkout feature, now get status. So I'll simply do get merge master, auto merging conflict, oops, merge conflicts सबको आते हैं भाई, चलो कोई नहीं, सॉल्व करते हैं, सॉल्व करेंगे तभी तो प्रो बनेंगे, ठीक है, सबको आते हैं, कोई बात नहीं। तो सबसे पहले था मेरा हेयर फ्रॉम मास्टर, सो दिस इज द इनकमिंग, दिस इज माय करंट चेंजेस and this would be the result. So I want to now I want to keep both the changes, like the email feature and the what your phone feature. Okay, I want this is from my here from there, this is an update is also from there. Perfect. I also want this feature as well, like this feature is not yet implemented. Feature phone completed, I can just complete this merge. What I can do now, there would be a one file change, yes, so I have to do get and am bro, and no, it this should be your get commit am merge conflicts resolved. Perfect. Now what I can do, I can do get merge and master, already up to date. So now if I will currently I am on branch, I'm on feature, let me check out to master, So now I'm on master, and I should have all the changes here, but it is asking for, because I have to look into that. Get checkout feature. So here I have everything. So what I can do, get merge master already up to date. Now we should have everything inside our master. So as you can see, merge conflict resolved. This is one file changed. This is from master. This commit from master, feature, the master again, email feature edit, and this is edit. Now I have to look into that. Get log one line graph. As you can see here, initially we added our index.js, then we have updated index. This is from feature master, email feature added, then it creates new commit, merge conflicts resolved. So far we have this. As you can see, it merged both the histories together, but don't you think so it also added this new commit as well? But don't you think so it looks messy? What if there should be a single linear line for that, and it looks a bit clean, and there shouldn't be a this merge, or there shouldn't be a commit? So as you can see, it merged both the histories, and also, but also like created a commit. मच्छर कहाँ से आ रहे हैं भाई? Also created this commit. So don't you think so it looks messy? Like this is creating this one. What if we use the rebase instead of merge? So for that, what we can do, let's we have to go to our master. Perfect, we are on master. No, I think I have to go to, because we have to reset this. So what we'll do, we have master and we'll go to our feature. If we see our online graph, so we have this last head commit, we have to reset this. So what we'll do, we'll simply say get reset, and I would use the option hard. I don't wanna just keep anything here, and I will use get your head 1. I just wanna reset or move back to the one commit. Boom. As you can see, now we have only this was our the last commit. If I go here, as you can see, we just move back to the last commit, this one, the one it merged, like our phone number, phone feature edit. Okay, so what if I use here get rebase master? Let me also clear the console. Again we are getting the merge conflict, so I think this time we can simply take from here, take from here, feature of email, perfect. Now we have here master. This is an update from master, adding new feature of email. This feature is not yet implemented. Have I missed anything? Where is our phone feature? Feature updated index could not apply. Let me again check the email feature added. Okay, phone was not there. There was only last email. Where I am. No branch rebasing feature. Okay. So what we'll do, we have to add this get add get commit minus m merge conflicts resolved. What I can do, get rebase continue, couldn't apply phone feature added, merge conflicts. Yeah, that's why I was saying I had phone feature. I have to take this, I have to take this, I have to complete merge. Yeah, now we have email feature, we have phone feature as well. Get commit hyphen am conflict resolved. Now if I use get rebase continue, successfully rebased. And what if now I'll go there and see the graph? Also I can show you the graph here as well, bro, although they all look similar. Yes. So now you can see one linear line, and how this is relevant, let me show you here. So when you use get merge, it basically just merge your latest with this one until unless there is no merge conflicts. If there is, you have to resolve them first. Okay, then it merge. So what git rebase does, it basically put or apply all the changes one by one, all the commits onto your main branch. But there is one catch on git rebase, it basically change your commit hash because it applies each commit, so it changes your commit hash. The earlier it was on the EFG, this time the commit they have on their main branch could be will be different, not could be, will be different from your these commit IDs. So make sure if your branch is shared, then don't use git rebase. If this is your only branch, only you are working on that, then you can just use git rebase. And now you can see how clean and linear this is. So this is the one, our initial. Here we added the email feature, here we solved merge conflicts, and here we just merge our, or I can say the rebase our feature branch into the main, and we applied all the commits. As you see earlier, we had the commit of you are adding the file or just updating the file, like this feature is not completed yet. Then we had the another feature of your phone number, we added both. So this was for your git rebase. I also have one like short summary prepared when you should go with which. So I hope it's visible. So this is the TL draw. Oh, one more thing, like for the TL draw whiteboard we can also use the extension here. Where's my extensions? Here just you can use the TL row extension, and you can just play with that. What you have to do, you have to just create a file or whatever name with the extension TLDR. It will just spin up or open the board for you. This is the same. If you don't know, I created a video on this. Just go and check it out, and you will see the real power of this. Although nowadays they are just giving you the VS Code extension as well. Okay, so let me walk you through with this summary. So let me check whether is anything cutting in the frame or everything is coming in the frame. Yeah. So okay, cool. So this is the summary. Okay. So what the very first for the get merge. Okay. So like as you can read here, the goal is to combine change. Okay. So the goal is to come. Let me use the hand here. Okay. So the goal is to. Okay. So the goal is to combine the changes from one branch into another. And if we talk about the git rebase, so move or replay your commits onto another branch, like one by one it was applying all the commits. If we talk about the effect on history, keeps full branching structure with a merge commit. Like there we had the let me show you. There we had this curve, like from where we cut the branch, and all the commit history we had in the git merge. But in the rebase we just have one linear line, as we have here one linear line. There is no such, I would say, the track or history of your all the commits. So this is the one thing that you have to, like, as it is written here, rewrites history to make it linear. So create new commits, only one new merge commit. Okay, like it created one new merge commit, merge conflict resolved, rewrites your branch commits as new commits. It basically rewrite the branch which you are trying to rebase, the commits they have, they as a new commit. So you will lost the history as well of your previous commits. History preserved, yes, no. Rewritten commit IDs change. Yeah, that's I told you. And safe to use on shared branch, yes. Get merge, you can, yeah, it is safe to use if the branch is shared. Just you have to take care of your merge conflicts. बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है merge conflicts. Okay. And safe to use on shared branch, no. Only safe locally. If you are working locally or if you are working dedicatedly on a branch, then just go with the git rebase. Else, no. It's a big no. Okay. So yeah, that's all for about this video. If you found this video helpful or useful, then don't forget to like, subscribe or share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਚੰਨ ਤਗੜਾ ਬਣਾ ਦੇ ਤਾਰੇ ਨੇ ਪਸੰਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ